So we have a winner. Let's listen in to the question. The price tag for this question is $25, 150 cedis. When Jesus was born, he is visited by a group of people. He is visited by shepherds, as we read in the book of Luke, and wise men, as we read in the book of Matthew. How old was Jesus when the wise men came to see him? And where did they come to see Jesus? Was it in a manger? The wise men did not come to a manger, they came to a house. And Jesus, or Yeshua, was at this time 2 years of age. It took the Magi, the wise men, that long to get to Yeshua. That is why Herod wanted children 2 years and under to be killed. Mr. Kwesi Otibo is our answer for this question. Congrats, sir.
My name is Kwesi Otibo, and I won the Amiel Deborah exclusive quiz. And the question was, where exactly did the wise men visit Jesus Christ, and how old was Jesus Christ when the wise men visited him? I won a cool $10, equivalent to 55 Ghana cedis. And thanks to King of Kings for making this possible. And I urge John and Sunday to take part of this quiz because it makes you knowledgeable. It makes you to search deep inside the scriptures to know the Rhema and everything. So God bless everyone who made this thing possible.